Hokahe! BOOZHOO Nij Anishinaabe Duke. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe, and welcome back to the show. I am not a BOOZHOO, and on the guitar, Michael Lyons. And in the studio with us, the lovely and talented Natasha. And today is Sunday. In the Anishinaabe language, we call this Anama-e Gija Good, Prayer Day. So I think what I'd like to do is say a little prayer in the Anishinaabe language. And I'll translate it for you. But this is just a good Sunday prayer, if you're interested in, that kind of thing. Gitche Manadu, Great Spirit. Miigwech kakina gegu, kaiji chikean nungom. Thank you for everything that you do today. Miigwech kaiji webak. Thank you for the weather. Miigwech kaiji gija guk. Thank you for this day. And miigwech kaiji bimadaziyan. Thank you for my life. Miigwech bezandawiye gitche manadu. Thank you for listening. And this is your Sunday morning Anama-e, your Sunday morning prayer. So I guess that's all I wanted to say. Thank you for watching. BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, a podcast about Ojibwe language and prayer. I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minawa. Hoa.